Want to travel for free in 2025? These cards can make it happen, but choose the wrong one, and you could be stuck with an expensive annual fee and a pile of useless points. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 travel credit cards for 2025 so you can unlock free flights, hotel stays, and even VIP perks without wasting a single penny. Card number 2 offers insane lounge access. And card number 5 is a hidden gem for beginners that no one else is talking about. But before we dive into these epic travel cards, here's a quick reality check. Using the right travel credit card is like having a secret weapon to slash your travel costs and turn everyday spending into unforgettable experiences. But choosing the wrong card is like getting stranded at the airport with a pile of useless airline miles. That's why it's crucial to find the perfect match for your travel style and spending habits. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a casual traveler, whether you prefer cozy cabins or bustling city hotels, there's a travel credit card out there that will help you every step of the way. So get ready to explore the world of travel rewards and discover the secrets to making the most out of your credit cards. By the way, if you're already pumped about traveling smarter and you're getting value from this video so far, do me a favor and smash that like button. It's totally free for you, and it helps more awesome people like yourself discover how to travel smarter. Alright, let us dive into this year's top 5 picks, starting with the reigning champ in the travel rewards game, the Platinum card from American Express. This is the card that made everyone sit up and take notice. In 2025, it's still at the top because, well, it just keeps outdoing itself. First off, let's talk about that welcome bonus. You spend $650 in the first 6 months, and they drop 100K points straight into your account. Those points are no joke. They're worth at least $1,000 when you redeem them for travel through their portal. But hey, if you don't care for their portal rates, you can transfer those points to various airline and hotel partners and still get insane value. It doesn't stop there. You also score $200 airline incidental credit. Basically, you charge $200 worth of incidentals like baggage fees and seat selection directly to your Platinum card, and Amex covers it. It's like a free $200 coupon, but wait, there's more. Lounge access is another perk. With the Platinum card, you gain entry into a network of over 1,400 lounges worldwide, including Delta Sky Clubs and Centurion lounges. This means free drinks, snacks, and even a quiet place to refresh when you're on the go. Plus, you can bring 2 guests with you for free when you're a card member in good standing. It's like having your own private airport club. Another standout feature is the extraordinary travel protection. With the Platinum card, you're covered for trip cancellations, interruptions, delays, and even lost baggage. It's like having a safety net for your travels. As a frequent traveler, I've personally witnessed the value of this coverage. One time my flight got canceled due to a blizzard, and I was able to claim reimbursement for my hotel and other non-refundable expenses thanks to the Platinum card's protection. It's a lifesaver. Plus, it comes with a slew of additional benefits like access to exclusive Amex fine hotels and resorts and access to luxury hotel status matches. Even if you're not a big spender, you can still enjoy the convenience of the Platinum card. The concierge service is top-notch, helping you arrange everything from concert tickets to restaurant reservations and even last-minute travel plans. And yes, there is an annual fee, but given the top-tier benefits, it's definitely worth considering. If you travel frequently and can max out on the perks, you'll easily recoup the fee and then some. And hey, if you're not sure if it's for you, remember that American Express has some of the most lenient return policies in the industry. If you decide it's not the right fit, you can cancel within the first year and you'll receive a full refund of the annual fee. Next up is a card that's been turning heads and racking up approvals left and right, the Venture X from Capital One. Now, the welcome offer alone is enough to make you sit up and take notice. Spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, and they shower you with 75,000 miles. And here's the kicker. Those miles are super flexible. Redeem them through their travel portal for $75,000 in travel, statement credits, or transfer them to their partners for an even bigger bang for your buck. Plus, you will snag a $300 travel credit for bookings made through their portal and a $100 credit for renting cars from Avis or Budget. It's like finding a treasure chest filled with travel goodies. But wait, there's more. This card also unlocks a swanky lounge key perk. Just head to the airport, present your card, and you're in. Plus, unlike the Platinum card, it's only $395 per year. Still not sold well? Consider this. The Venture X boasts an impressive 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 redemption ratio, meaning your miles go further than most other cards. Plus, the ongoing rewards are pretty sweet. You'll earn 2 miles per dollar on every purchase after the intro offer ends. Let's not forget about the travel credits, which can offset those pesky travel expenses. Overall, the Venture X is a fantastic option for those who want to dip their toes into the world of travel hacking without going all in. And now, let's talk about the underdog on our list, the UNFCU Pathfinder Visa Signature Card. While it may not have the flashy perks of its competitors, it's got a secret weapon: the ability to earn a whopping 25,000 points after spending $2,000 in purchases within the first month of card ownership. Here's the deal. These points are super flexible. Transfer them to partners like World of Hyatt, and they become even more valuable. Plus, it comes with a host of travel credits, like a $100 airline, incidental credit, and discounts on rental cars. Now, here's where things get interesting. Unlike other cards, the Pathfinder doesn't have a hefty annual fee. It's completely free. Yes, you heard that right, $0 per year. That's right. This card lets you enjoy all the perks of a premium travel card without breaking the bank. And it doesn't stop there. The Pathfinder also offers primary and secondary car rental insurance, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, and even lost luggage insurance. These are typically add-ons that cost extra on other cards, but they come bundled into the Pathfinder at no additional cost. This makes it a great option for those who travel often and want extra protection against unexpected events. And as if that's not enough, the Pathfinder also earns 3% cash back on gas and 3% cash back on dining. It's like a jack of all trades, giving you the flexibility to use it for everyday purchases and travel. It might not have all the bells and whistles of the Platinum Card or Venture X, but it's a solid performer in its own right. And with no annual fee, it's a great option for those who want to test the waters of travel hacking without committing to a pricey annual fee. Now let's talk about the Breeze from Capital One. This card is the new kid on the block, and it's already making waves. First off, let's talk about that welcome bonus. It's pretty amazing. Spend $500 in the first 3 months, and they'll shower you with 15,000 miles. Plus, ULL score a $150 travel credit for bookings of $500 or more through their travel portal. It's like a free $150 coupon for your next trip. And here's the kicker. Those miles are super flexible. You can redeem them through the Capital One travel portal for up to $1,500 in travel statement credits, or transfer them to their partners for an even bigger bang for your buck. And let's not forget about those ongoing rewards. The Breeze earns 2 miles per dollar on all purchases after the intro offer ends. It's pretty straightforward and hassle-free. But wait, there's more. The Breeze also comes with a slew of travel credits like a $100 airline incidental credit, $40 rental car upgrade credit, global entry or TSA pre-check credits, and a $15 monthly entertainment credit. Plus, it has no foreign transaction fees and a low $95 annual fee. Overall, the Breeze is a fantastic option for those who want a no-fuss travel card with solid rewards and a decent welcome bonus. Last but certainly not least, the Citi Prestige from Citigroup. While it may not be as flashy as some of its competitors, this card packs a punch and offers a unique perk that sets it apart: $400 of airfare credits. That's right. Every card anniversary year, you'll receive 4 $100 airfare credits that can be applied towards your next flight booking. It's like getting a free $400 coupon for travel. Plus, the card also comes with a host of other travel perks, like a $200 airline incidental credit, $50 monthly entertainment credit, Priority Pass Select membership, and more. But wait, there's more. The Prestige also earns a solid 5x points on hotels and rental cars booked through their travel portal, and 3x points on airfare booked through their portal. It's like earning triple the rewards on your travel expenses. And let's not forget about the 50,000 point welcome bonus you get after spending $4,000 in purchases within the first 3 months. From flights to hotels, the Prestige has you covered. Now, even though it comes with a $495 annual fee, it's still a great option for those who travel frequently and can take advantage of the extensive travel credits. So, with its unique airfare credits, solid ongoing rewards, and comprehensive travel perks, the Citi Prestige is a great option for those who want to elevate their travel experience and earn big on their spending. And there you have it, folks. top 5 travel credit cards for 2025. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a casual traveler, there is a card on this list that will help you make the most out of your travel spending. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into the world of travel rewards and credit cards, stay tuned for more epic tips and hacks. Please subscribe to this channel if you got value from this video. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and happy travels.